Hey all, in this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a couple of different keyword searches within Bidscope. With this tool, you can search for specific projects like a Starbucks, a Walmart, or maybe a school that you know of. You can also search for a specific company that has sent you projects in the past or somebody new that you're looking to connect with. In order to do a company search, the first thing you want to do is click Only Search Company Name. And then you want to go up here to the search bar and type in the name of the company that you're looking for. For this demonstration, we're going to look for Buffalo Construction. And then we're going to hit Go. Now you will notice that two projects came up when we did that search. The second one, you can easily see that this was an invitation directly from Buffalo Construction. The first one, we're going to have to dig a little bit deeper though. So we're going to click on the name of the project and open it up. Once we're inside the project, we're going to go over here to the bidders and the principals list and open that. And within the bidders and the principals list, you can see the players on the project. So we're going to scroll down until we find Buffalo Construction so that we can see exactly what their role is in this project. The great thing about this tool is that it's not only searching the invitations that you're getting directly from your clients or prospects, but it's also searching projects like the one that we're looking at right now, which are projects that our company has specifically reported on for you. So we're letting you know that Buffalo is actually pre-qualified and is a general contractor bidding this project. Whenever you do a search, if you plan to do another one, you always want to clear out of the first one before you start typing something new into the search box. So the next thing that you can actually do is keyword searches for specific services or products. So we're going to want to turn off the only search company names. And you'll notice that we're starting with 49 projects right now. And for this client, we're going to actually look at, we're going to pull up epoxy. So you will notice out of the 49 projects, 21 of those projects have the word epoxy used in them. And you will also notice that there was a shortcut icon that populated of a little key on these projects. And if you click on that key, it's going to open up the project view. And it's actually going to show you exactly where that word was used within the documents and the specs, as well as give you a link to that to easily get in there and read and see if this applies to you. Something really neat is you can actually read the paragraph that it pulled out of to see if this is something that you're interested in bidding on or that you would like to pass on. Thanks for watching my video. Please be sure to check out the other training videos for tips and tricks on how to use your products and services from the Blue Book Building and Construction Network.